brown skin girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BerryFae. So as you can tell by the title, today he is going to rate my Fashionnova outfits.
Yes, sir.
If he don't give me all 10s, we're gonna have some problems. Period. All right, you ready?
Let's do it. Sounds good. Oh man, so good. All right, outfit number 1. Oh, okay.
Times on the beat.
Okay. All right.
I wouldn't really wear these sandals, but the shoes I wanted to wear, I don't have them with me right now.
Okay. So all right, 1 through 10 right here.
Yep, 1 through 10.
Snap on it.
This is fall outfits edition.
Oh.
What you think? What you think?
Man, this one I'm gonna give you.
I'm gonna show you guys the details.
All right. So this one, I think, I don't know what I'm working with. So this one I'm gonna give her an 8. Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah. Oh really?
As long as it ain't no 5.
I'm not, definitely not a 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I do. That's really my side. I love it.
All right, outfit number 2.
All right, so that was pretty dope. I have no idea what range I'm really looking for. Like when you say fall fashion, I don't know like what to think of. I don't even think I know the colors, but I really like that outfit. That was really good. So she better come with it. How many outfits you got?
4.
Oh, just 4?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. She better come with it.
It's rising now.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, outfit number 2? Outfit number 2. Right. Woo. Woo. Come on. Come on. Wow. That, ooh.
This is a bodysuit, so it's going through.
Oh, okay.
And some new jeans, because kind of tight. I'm gonna have to break them a little good. This one's supposed to go with some heels, but I don't have them with me. It's in the car.
Oh, so, wow. I gotta take you out, girl.
You gotta take me out.
I gotta show you off, girl. Dang. Whew. I mean,
What you feeling?
how you want me to rate this, like how I feel, or you want me to rate it like
how you feel about the way they look on me?
How I feel about it?
How you feel about it?
Ready?
Yeah. 9.5.
9.5 easy.
9.5. Okay, I could do that.
I love it.
You like this one?
Child, I do. Jeans a little tight for my, you know.
I know, it's tight.
Love it,
I
but
couldn't even pull it up.
I mean, nevertheless, I love it though.
It already broke. What the heck? That's from pulling it up. It's a size freaking 9, bro. Next is 11. Alright, let's get out of this one. Alright, I'm gonna take it up a notch.
Alright, let's see. I love that one right there. That is so my style, like for my woman. How I want her to like. Yeah, that was really good. I love the color of that shirt. Color's pretty dope. Like a maroon velvet, some junk like that. What would you?
This is classified as mauve.
That's what?
Mauve.
Okay, I don't know what that is.
It's like a combination of like burgundy and pink.
Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, I like it. I love it. It's pretty dope. 9.5, easy. Jeans was a little tight for my loving, but nevertheless, she looked amazing in it. So that's good. What is she finna come out here wearing? Oh my God. see what you gonna come out here wearing. All right, outfit number 3. Goofy. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Little brown girl action.
Brown skin girl. Ooh. Okay. Wow, those are some interesting heels down there.
You like them?
The what you call it? The heel? The
heel part?
Yeah.
It's called the pyramid.
Oh wow. That is pretty interesting. You are a boss. Woo! You are a boss. Dang. Throw it out, baby. Ooh.
Can't show the heels.
Brown, your color?
It's gonna be this fall.
It's gonna be this fall.
It's a fall color. I wouldn't wear this all year round.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, what do you rate it?
Oh, I rate it. I mean, easy.
9.5.
9.5.
There you go.
Yeah, that's cute. Wanna go to brunch?
Let's go to
I
brunch.
should keep it brunch. I love it, man. You got something in your lips?
Why, you want to kiss me?
I want to be
I'll take it out next outfit. All right, last one. Ready?
Brown skin girl. Yeah, that one's really dope. I like that one. I feel like brown is definitely gonna be her color this fall. It looks good against her skin. So that's pretty dope. Last one? She got the last outfit. You better bring it. You better bring it, boo. Bring all that smoke, good. You finna? Finna, she finna. Outfit number 4, last one. I'm ready, boo. Positive, mama. Ooh, there's some belt action going on, some metal clacking, some belt clamping, and what's going on? I wonder what she's gonna be wearing, y'all. Whoa!
What's wrong with you?
Oh snap!
You wasn't expecting this
I
one,
was
now
not
were
expecting
you?
that one.
Kids, zip it up all the way.
Now you know I be having a hard time zipping these things, first of all. Oh, I got this one?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
You don't have to buckle it. This is the last outfit. Jumpsuit action. Pumpkin spice looking. Off the shoulder jumpsuit. I got a little bag to go with it. This is really brunch right here.
This really brunch?
Yeah. Gotta look grown up.
You definitely, you definitely grown. You definitely grown.
All right, last one.
Last one?
What do you rate it?
You ready?
What?
You go vibe.
Huh?
Yeah.
3.5?
You go vibe.
Why?
I'm rated it.
You lying.
No, I'm serious, boo.
Ain't no way that's 3.5.
You go vibe.
Why are you doing that?
I don't like the style, boo.
Really?
I don't like the style. I ain't trying to deflate you, boo. I just don't really like it.
I love this one the most.
Really?
Yeah, it's so different. It's not just jeans and a shirt. All right. that's the end of the video.
I love you.
I really thought he was gonna like the last one.
I just really didn't, bro. I wanted to so bad for you.
You don't like that my butt was exposed?
No.
The top part, you don't like it?
You wanna know what I don't like?
What?
I don't know, it looked, it just looked kind of like old school, like almost like a 90s feel. It was like bell bottoms 90s, right? I think 90s or 80s. And then the top was kind of like the 70s. It just looked kind of like old school mixed with like new school almost.
That's kind of a good thing. Like, that's about fashion.
I don't know.
Anyway, it's okay. Anyway, that's it. Can you hold me?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you guys for watching today's video. Tell me down below which one was your favorite and how you think he did with his ratings. They're gonna come for you for that last one.
I try to keep it real. You know,
it's fine.
Actually, go ahead, you want me to rate it?
Yeah, how you like it? How you like it on me?
Try to keep it real for you, man.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's gonna be down below. Go Deej. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.